There's a couple paramedics and a couple fire trucks here. Let's go ahead and see. We'll end this night great and make sure we see how many are down here. This is insanity levels. Never seen anything like it. And I've seen some psychotic fires. No joke. Okay. So there we go.
Hey boys, thank you.
Paramedics.
I think we got it.
Fireman. Thank you for your service.
Sorry.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Good?
Yeah, I'm all good. He just whacked me with a stick. Still sirens coming. Still a little smoke. Let's see out of the way of these tubes. Minor flooding. What is this foam? All right, and that's it, folks. You have a great night.